Alright, so I'm going to try to do this upside down, so bear with me here a minute. So the way to do this without ever lifting your pen or pencil is first, oh my pen's dying. I'm going to draw the roof, and then we create the structure of the house. Okay, and then we just come down to this corner, and then what we do is we're going to fold this paper over in the corner here. So I'm just going to get my pen right to the spot that I want it to, and then I can roll over and I can come right back up, and now I got the arms and the head, and that is how you do it.